In today's video, I'll show you how to bug report in Jira. Alright, so here we are on the Jira dashboard. And what we're going to do is we are going to click on Create on the top here. Then we need to be on our specific board and change work type to bug so that we can know that this is a bug report. Alright, so now we can change the status, but of course we're going to leave it as is. And then we need to make a short summary of the bug. Don't worry about the parent tab. And let's head to description. And here you can write a detailed description of what the bug is. And you can mention people by using the @ symbol. Next up, you should set your priority. And from there, all we're going to do is hit create. And that's it. You are done and dusted. You have just created a bug report in Jira. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.